Use this application here and turn it into A, Airbnb. If you watch full video, mistake. The application to use, all you have to do is just upload a picture. Let's say a garden with design and nice garden for you. Also your living room, your bedroom, whatever the case is. But you have to make sure once you're taking a picture is either one of these options here you're selecting, or you're going to the create option here where you upload a picture of the place that you want to redesign. And once you have uploaded that photo, you can see pretty much the results that we're getting. For example, as you can see here, for this photo, let's say this room is I wasn't looking at a room, but let's say your living room. Make sure you select the correct option and the type of style that you want it to be in: vintage, modern, typical. I'm just thinking about typical here, and also the color. I'm just going to tap on gray here, and it will generate based on that information that you have given it. So do make sure you take good pictures so you can get good results. Do not take good pictures. Make sure you get a proper view of the area that you want to reside so you can get good pictures like this. So as you can see here, this is the result that I'll be getting, and I can always go on top on generate something different, or I can paint or change the color here. Also change the flooring as well. So a very good application if you want to redesign somewhere. I don't have anything in mind. You can use this AI application here. So at the top of the pro option here, where it says pro, here you can go ahead and get the pro option to get the unlimited render design and also no ads. Here you can also get the free trial. If you do make sure enable the free trial mode, if it's not enabled, you won't be able to see the 3 days free trial. So you can see here, these are pretty much the prices: a weekly subscription and a year subscription. So that's it for this video. If I'm missing anything at all, make sure you comment below, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next tutorial.